Ooh, a lot of Tesla news today, Will.
I told you.
Mr. Tesla. Tesla releases new charger faceplates that match car colors. Holiday gift for Tesla owners. Do you think coincidence that lines up with the PlayStation faceplates?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I never thought about this. I mean, I look at the charger back there and I never think, hey, I need a different faceplate. But man, there's some Tesla super fans out there.
They have a red, blue, and a gray.
Yeah, you match. I mean, obviously, I would get the blue one if I got one. But what would they charge for that? Did they say the price?
They should say the price. It's $100.
$100 for the faceplate. And they say, hey, that might sound expensive, but it's made of tempered glass. So
that's not bad.
It's like a nice finish to it. Perfectly pair your wall connector to the paint color of your Tesla vehicle with wall connector color-matched faceplate made from the same durable tempered glass as the original design. These faceplates offer a stylish alternative to your Tesla charging setup. An easy installation available in midnight silver metallic, deep blue metallic, red multi-coat, and solid black. Tesla sells the faceplates for $100. Could be a good holiday gift for Tesla owners. It only matches its latest generation, Gen 3 wall connector. And the price of that connector went up from $500 to $550 recently. I didn't know that.
Oh. And here's instructions to replace it.
Yeah, you just clip it right on there, Will. No big deal. NBD, as they say. It's a big NBD. But yeah, look, man, the enthusiasm around the brand, so big. And people, like even me, I got one and then I started accessorizing it. I realized the video is not out yet.
Yeah.
I'm talking about it like the video. The video is coming out really soon. But when you love something, when you really like a product, well, that's a bit of a spoiler on the video, but when you really like a product, you feel this strange need to accessorize it. It's I don't know how to explain it, but you want to personalize it. You want to
you want an NFT of it.
You want to enhance your relationship with it.
Sure.
Even further. And it's like it gave you so much, you want to give back. You're like, you know what? I'm going to accessorize you.
Yeah.
And so anyway, it's like you like with Otis. You start buying him like a toy or a collar or I don't know. I'm sure you bought all kinds of crazy things.
Have an Otis tattoo.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, I saw Otis every time. He's got some new thing he's chewing on, or you kept buying him those beds to lay on, even though he kept chewing them in half every time.
It's like a weekly basis.
Yeah, there's another bed.
Well, I want him to feel comfortable and warm.
You're accessorizing. Sure. I mean, I don't know if it's comparable. Otis is alive. Your Tesla's not, but
yeah.
They do.
Or is it?
Easy, Will. Imagine if the homicide in the parking lot was actually somebody driving a car, and the guy was run over purposely, but it was actually the AI.
Summons back and forth.
Exactly. And the police are like, this to me looks like a homicide right here.
Yeah.
And the car is and they're like, actually, no one was even manning it. It's the world's first AI homicide.
Yeah. It's got blood all over it. And yet...
wow. This just happened. I feel like we should take it easy.
Yeah.
But, whoa. That just crossed my mind. Like,
sentient.
Could the car in any way be implicated or involved? See, that's what... I mean, I guess if they tell us the cause of death or like if there was a weapon involved or something, then we'll know more. But, whoa.
Yeah. And what if the person maybe who summoned it, like, didn't even know?
No, I don't know. No, nobody summoned it. Like, we're getting carried away over here.
We're sleuth.
We're stop sleuthing, all right? Leave it.
All right.
There's better sleuths than us out there anyway.